Good morning, students. So here that is the remaining part of the chapter number 7, cell division. So here that is the cytokinesis. We study the karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, and cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Cyto means cytoplasm and kinesis means division. So here such a cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm which can be found in the animal cell mostly, because in the plant cell the cell wall is there. That's why the furrow is not formed. Furrow means त्या पेशीमध्ये मध्ये पडणारी जी भेग आहे ती पडू शकत नाही because of the cell wall is there. But in case of the animal cell wall is absent and cell membrane is there. So here that is the first one, the animal cell which is going to constrict, आकुंचन पावायला सुरुवात होते, and at the middle the furrow which can be formed. And because of that constriction, so here the microfilament which are formed, and in between this, that is the cell, and there is formation of the two, that is the chambers are there. In that chamber there is the cytoplasm which can be divided. So here that is the, then these two cells which are separated with their respective cytoplasm. So means that is the one cell divide equally distributed the cytoplasm into the two daughter cell. इथे daughter cell याचा अर्थ घ्यायचा नव्याने तयार होणाऱ्या पेशी, not that is the female cells are there. Okay, so here that is called as cytokinesis, means division of the cytoplasm. Here that is in case of the division of the cytoplasm. So here we study that is the only the cytoplasm distributed into the animal cell. After that, significance of mitosis. So that is the mitosis, that is from the parent cell, that is the daughter cells which are formed. Here the chromosomal number remains constant. Okay, from the parent cell, if the daughter cells which are from, the chromosomal number remains constant, it is called as the mitosis is there. Also, the genetic material, that is the DNA, which can be equally distributed into the two daughter cells are there. Also, so here in the such a mitosis, that is suppose in case of the one of the cells which can be worn out or replaced by the mitosis are there, because of the one cell divide to form two cells, newly cells which are formed. That's why in case of the worn out cells which can be replaced by mitosis. Okay, after that, that is the such a mitosis, that is maintain the chromosomal number, genetic material which can be maintained and no variation takes place. Variation म्हणजे विविधता आणली जात नाही. No variation into the existing chromosome, existing cells are there. So here next one, that is the death of the cell. It is called as apoptosis. So death of the cell because of the injury, because of the scrap. So here some of the cells which are destroyed, their death takes place. It is called as necrosis. In case of the embryo, म्हणजे भ्रूण, जेव्हा भ्रूणाची वाढ होते गर्भामध्ये आईच्या, त्यावेळी in the embryonic development, the cells between the fingers which can be die. Why? Because due to the growth of the fingers, त्याच्या हाताच्या बोटांची वाढ होण्यासाठी हाताच्या बोटांमधल्या पेशीची डेथ होते, and it is beneficial to the such a organism is there. It is called as apoptosis or it is called as programmed cell death. Next one, that is the we study meiosis. Meiosis means it is the reduction division. So here from the parent cells, the haploid cells which are formed, not diploid, haploid cells which are formed, and chromosomal number which is going to half, which is going to reduce, and this process which can be found in the reproductive cells like gametes in the testes and ovaries. Testis मध्ये जे sperm तयार होतात, formation of the sperm which show reductional division. Also in case of the gametes means like to that of the ovary, ovary मध्ये जे egg तयार होतात having the half number of the chromosomes are there. It is called as reduction division. Such a meiosis, it is of the two type. First meiotic division, it is called as heterotypic division, and second meiotic division is called as homotypic division. The heterotypic division in that, so here that is the chromosome number which are different, parents and their offsprings, chromosomal number which are different, it is called as heterotypic division is there. This heterotypic division which is of, that is the first one we study, heterotypic division. This heterotypic division, that is divided into the four phases are there. Prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first and telophase first. In that prophase, it is the long phase is there. It has the more duration is there. Such a prophase first which can be classified into, that is the leptotene, zygotine, pachytene, diplotene and dikinesis. So prophase, it is the long phase, duration is more, it is subdivided into the remaining, that is the 5 stages are there. First one, that is the leptotene. Leptotene, here the nucleus which is distinctly located and the chromosomes which are distinctly located are there. Okay. So here that is the such a chromosomes are there distinctly located. These are long coiled structure is there in that leptotene. After that is the zygotene. So zygote means that is the pairing of the chromosome takes place. Pairing of the such a non-sister chromatid. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये pairing होते. Okay. And here that is the one maternal chromosome and one paternal chromosome which are come together. They are called as the bivalent are there. Next one, that is the pachytene. So in that pachytene there is the longitudinal splitting of the chromosome. उभे काय होतं मधून छेद जातो या क्रोमोसोमला. त्यामुळे याचे हे क्रोमॅटिड्स, these are the chromatids separated. आता 4 क्रोमॅटिड वेगवेगळे सेपरेट झालेले दिसतात. So here they can't separate from each other. They attach at the one point. It is called as the chiasmata is there. Chiasmataच्या ठिकाणी ते attach झालेले असतात. Next one, that is the after that diplotene. Here that is the, although the chiasmata is formed. Chiasmata म्हणजे काय अशी प्लेस जिथे ते दोन क्रोमोसोम चिकटलेले आहेत. Although the chiasmata is formed, but these chromosome which are become visible म्हणजे दृश्य दिसतात इथे. And next one, dikinesis. Dikinesis means आता सपोज चाइस्मॅटा आता काय झालं इथे क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतो. क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर म्हणजे काय, तर याचा हा जो सेगमेंट आहे तुटतो थोडासा आणि याचा तुटतो, तो जाऊन इकडे जॉईन होतो आणि म्हणजेच फॉर एक्झाम्पल आता ह्याच्यातला तुकडा तुटला, हा जाऊन इथे जॉईन होतो आणि इकडचा येऊन इथे जॉईन होतो. दॅट इज द हियर क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर टेक्स प्लेस. म्हणजेच हा जो तुटलाय सपोज एवढा भागाचा तुटलाय, हा जाऊन इथे जॉईन होईल आणि याचा हा जाऊन इथे जॉईन होईल. दॅट इज क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर विच कॅन बी टेक्स प्लेस. इट इज कॉल्ड एज सिनॅप्सिस. आणि जिथे सिनॅप्सिस क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं chiasmata formation, such a chiasmata goes to that of the end of the chromosome. It is called as terminalization or it is called as dikinesis. Dikinesis means terminalization of the chiasmata. Chiasmata which can be goes to that of the end of the chromosome is there. So here that is the different stages of the, that is the prophase first. After that next that is the lecture we will study, that is the metaphase first, anaphase, telophase and remaining points are there.